Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how to make this bag. I made my bag like this. If you wish, you can use it by snap it here. Width 21 inches. -1 inches in height. A tall bag. I did it to my daughter. If you want to make it smaller, use thin rope. I used thick rope. It was a little big. Now I will knit the second one again. I'll knit it with thick rope. Now this time I pass with yellow. I'll start with yellow. My 2.5 miles. And I start by pulling the chain. And I start at the bottom and I go up. In total 43. My chain hammer. I pulled my 43 chains. Now I will make double trabzin. I'm taking the top and counting 3 from here. So to the 40th. 1. I'm doing double trabzin. The duo take it on trabzin. Twice 2. I'm pulling. And my chain like this. I will continue by taking it on and making a double trabzin. For those who don't know, I took it on and sank into it 1 or 2. Let me show you again. I took the top and sank into the chain. 1 order like this. 2 liters of abzin until the end of my chain. I will continue by doing like this until the end of my chain. I made my trabzons. Now on the other side of the chain. So there are 40 in total on this side. Duo became my trabzin. Now in the same way. On the other side. Your chain. By making trabzin. I will get to the point where I started. I'm doing double trabzin the same way. There will be 40 here. I continue my double trabzin here. Yes. Both sides of the chain. I did it with double trabzin. Now I'm combining here. I'm sinking into the first chain I made. Or rather, we did 3. I combined it with a loop slide. I pulled 2 chains. Teed. In the same noose. I will make 3 double trabzin. I counted the chain here. Okay, now I'm pulling a chain. I jump a needle or 2 and take it on. Teed. 3 in the same loop. Double trabzin. That part. We create. I pulled a chain again, jumped a few trabzin. Third. I'm sinking and 3. I'm doing double trabzin. I will continue my cues like this. I'm pulling a chain, I jumped 1 or 2 to the third. 2. Sorry 3. Double trabzin, in the same noose. Let me show you one more. I pulled a chain. I jumped 1 or 2 to the third. 3. Double trabzin. 1. Icky. 3. Turning like this. We will continue. I will show you again when I come to the corner. Yes, I came to the corner place. There were 13 in total, so triple group. Now I pulled my chain again. I'm counting 1 or 2 right in this corner. Don't go down again. 3. I'm doing double trabzin. I'm pulling my chain again. I'm counting again from here. I got it on. Again. I'm sinking. The corner like this. I'm back. A chain again. Third. I made 3 double trabzin. I will continue until we get to our starting place again. I came back to the other corner. I pulled a chain. Where I did it here. I combine descent with slide. I pull a chain and sink it again. And here. Again. I pull 2 chains. I'm taking it on. 2. I'm doing double trabzin. And so I go up to a higher lyra, pulling a chain again. From here by the side. I continue my knitting. This way. A chain. Places I have done. Triple trabzin. I make 3 double trabzin. A chain. If you want, you can also pull chains. It's your choice. Left. I'm pulling the chain. I pull a chain. And the space next to. 3. I'm doing double trabzin. Until you get to this corner point in the same way. I will continue to my starting place in the corner. I will show you my place to go to a higher lyra again. Now I'm around the corner again. Instead of my first chain. I often combine it with a needle. So sorry I did CC. I pulled a chain. I filled my knot from the bottom. And 2. I'm pulling a chain. Don't go inside the same. 2 double trabzin. By doing this, I'm getting to the top. Pull a chain from here again. I continue to do. Yes, like this. I continue, crossing the top rows like this you wish. So you can knit. I love this pink one to 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows. This too. I will keep knitting until I reach the size I want. I will not increase and decrease in any way. Yes, this way. I finished. I wear upon 10 rows. Now I'm coming to make this part. This part too. Now I pulled a chain after assembling. On all my trabzons. I do injections where there is a chain. Same way. Make a frequent injection like this. I continue to knit. And in total this. I will spin and spin. I will continue to knit 5 rows. Yes, 5 rows. I often knit my needle. Now I came to the corner part here. From the corner part, I'll do that handle part right there. You can make this handle part as long as you want. If you wish, you can wear a coke as long as you can. If you wish, you can make it small this way. I'm still the same. I will make it small. For this, I will first knit 15 frequent needles. Icky. I'll knit 3 and 15. I'll come. I wear upon 15. Now I'm going to pull a chain from here. In totally I will pull 30 chains. 3, 4, 5. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 28, 29. I pulled my 30 chains. I'll count from here. I'll throw 22 frequent needles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 there. I'm going down like a crochet. Let's put it as a sign. Burden. Teed. I'm sinking. Later. I'm knitting 15 all the way here. There again. I'll get to the corner point. Come to the corner point. I came to the corner. I made a chain on this side. Now do it the same way. I will adjust. Burden on 5. Knit 1 and repeat 30. My chain hammer. I'll throw 22 frequent needles. I'll sink here again right in front of them. Later. I'll knit to my corner point again, so these numbers can change for you. So that's why you know in my hand the numbers are like this right now. The rope you wear upon. It can also vary according to its thickness and thinness. You can set that handle part yourself. I'm setting this up and coming. Yes, both sides. This is how we set it. Now we're going to duck straight, so let me show it like this. On the chains. We will knit as a frequent needle in the same way. And I knit 3 rows. As I said, no matter how big you make it. It's up to you. I'll knit 3 rows. I will finish later. I lined up. And I finished making the bag. My other bag is like this. A little bit of this. It's small. Same height. As a little. It's small, we can measure it too. So it was close to 19 centimeters. It's from the change of my I wear upon this with number 3. I wear upon this with number 2.5, but the ropes are the same. As you said. You can knit with thick rope or thin rope. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate if you like my videos. Thank you.